Alright, we're here today in, oh, I should go like this. Here in Los Padres. Trout today. I'm with Peter. Hopefully, we can get some fish. Hopefully the water's running. I'll check it in a second. Okay, just got my first fish of the day. Oh, he's running. I'm gonna bring him up here. Nice little wild rainbow. There we go. Took my blue wing olive. Very, very pretty fish. There he goes. Right in. Here he comes. Oh, man. Sharpen your hooks, son. Sharpen your hooks. Alright, we'll come back in a sec. And just when I stepped away, here's Pete with his. Dude, nice little like 6-inch wild bow. Nice, dude. They're really dark, huh? Yeah, dude. They're dark colored. They have those wild, like, I forgot what they call those blotches. Okay, let's. Whoa. What do you take? That caddis? Yeah. Nice. Ooh, there we go. Got another one right here. Woohoo! Another nice little rainbow. A wild rainbow. Let me see if I can bring him in here. Slowly. Oops. Bring it up. There he is. Okay. Uh-oh. He's running. My rod's too big for this place. Alright. Beautiful fish. One of the bigger ones that was in this pool. Let me wet my hands and then get him here. Otherwise I'll drop my iPod. Okay. Can get a good shot of him in the sunlight. There we go. Okay. Alright, buddy. Go ahead. You're free. Give him a sec to recover here. That big old dorsal fin on him. There you go, pretty fish, big eyes. He wants to come home with me too. He's right here. Touch him. Oh. Yep, there he goes. Let's get his big brother now. No, I saw his big brother in there, up next to those fallen logs. Back with Pete over here by this nice, big, deep pool. And and there goes Pete's fish. Oh, there goes his stuff. Good thing that GoPro's waterproof, man. Ooh, pretty little one right there. There he goes. Yep. Right back. Oh, come on, little guy. Wake up. Oh. I don't know if you can see the fly or not, but let me set it down and see what happens. See if they come up after it. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, he came off. Oh man, that was close. Oh, sick. That sucks. Oh, he jumped up. Oh, you guys saw that. Woo! He jumped up for it. All right. Oh, I gotta get this one in now. Oh. Yeah, that's why I came down through the river bottom, man. All right. Dude, these our 8-foot rods are way too long. I gotta do it like that one carp fisherman. You know, put it over my neck. Yeah. Okay. Come here, buddy. I got this bigger guy. I saw him in there, and him and this other little one fought for it. The little one got it the first time. I got the nicer one this time. Oh, beautiful little fish. Okay, buddy. Oh, I can't grab my line. My rod is too long. It's too far away from me. Yep, there he is. Let me get it out. Oh, the sun moved, so you can't. Oh, wait. Well, actually, no. You can see him pretty well right here. Oh. I'll just put my rod down. Come on. Okay. All right, buddy. He's ready to go. Okay. No worse for wear. Come on, buddy. Come on. Uh-oh. He's doing the trout thing. Oh, no. It's kind of weird is that these trout are fine when they're fighting you. When you let them go and they're free, they go belly up. funny trout. Anyways, he's good. Woo! Let's get right down by him. Yep. Nice, like 8, maybe 8, almost 9-inch fish. All right, cool. Get into some more later. All right, yeah, we're having a great day out here. Got another one, about a little bit smaller one this time, but we're just having a ball. Caught probably over 10 trout by now. A lot of all these wild ones. Really nice fish. Let's see how many more we get, or maybe we'll head out soon. Okay, check in later. Bye.
Like a wire.
Yeah.
Weighted.
Yeah, we had a pretty good run today. Ready to get out of here. It's probably like 7, almost 8 now. Didn't think that we were gonna stay here this long, but yeah, we got a few fish, quite a few, and ready to head out. Cool little place. Let's go. Oh no, it's cool, man. Don't worry.